Hello and very good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vaibhav and I'm the founder of I'm Skills. I'm going to lead this content writing orientation class for Dhamik, Om Prakash, Pragati, Sayyad Anwar, Shiva, Swapnil, Tanuja, Vinit Mishra, and of course, we're expecting a few more people, those who will join us. And let's begin with the session. But before we guys start with the same, let me ask you guys that are you all able to hear my voice loud and clear? I've just said hi to all in the chat box. Please acknowledge the same that if my voice is loud and clear. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, so let me go ahead and quickly create an agenda for the lesson. In this class, today I will help you guys to learn around content writing industry. How exactly content writing industry works. I am also going to help you guys to understand the future opportunities related to content writing. What exactly content writers do depending upon organizations or different types of businesses. I will help you to identify two sources of income one content writer can generate using their writing skills. The most important part is how. A lot of people, they talk about that you can make this much money or you can earn clients from US, UK, in fact, from India. I will help you to overall understand the process, the sources, and at the same time, some real expectations you should keep from content writing industry. This is not a quick upskilling thing wherein you will learn and immediately start earning. So the process, the overall time requirement that you need to go ahead and give to this market, I'm also going to help you guys to learn around that. In the end, I will give you an overview of IM Skills Content Writing Master Program. Why is that? We are the most respected institution delivering content writing programs. Why content writing agencies prefer hiring our students. To name a few, Right, Content Holic, Content Will, or any big organization, those who have minimum 500 plus manpower with them as a content writer. We'll talk about the speciality, what makes IM Skills program unique, different, and better in the industry. And then in the end, we will conduct an open Q&A round so that if in case you have any questions related to the market, related to your career, related to whether you should get into this industry or not, everything around it, we are going to discuss. Now, let's go ahead and start with the session. Now, if I ask you guys before we dive into the further discussion part, if I'll ask you guys at the current stage, whatever learning you have received, after research, or maybe you have gathered that information from various sources, or maybe somebody have given you some kind of instructions, coaching around it. Why do you think people hire content writers today in this digital world? I'll give you guys 1 minute to go ahead and whatever comes to your mind, feel free to write that. In a case, if you would like to speak with me, you can simply go to the screen called participants. There is a button called raise your hand under react option. You can also raise your hands if in case you would like to talk, then I'll unmute you because by default, I have restricted you not to unmute yourself so that there are no back noises from your side. So you have 1 minute. Let me understand your current knowledge. Why do you think businesses, people, they hire content writers? Om Prakash, Pragati, Sayed, Gopika, everybody. One interesting part is the more you're going to participate, the higher value you can expect from our side in this orientation class. So we have first answer here. Swapnil says, to connect with the target audience. Sayed says to promote their businesses. Taruja says for the information and marketing requirement. Others in the chat box. "30 seconds more. And then I will help you guys to identify what, how, why people hire people in the content industry. Content writers is the backbone for any business. They add value in the businesses for letting their targeted audience know about their product, and they help them to engage online. Thanks, Om. Dharmik says people hire content writers to sell their products to the consumers. Amazing. Okay. Now let's understand content writing from a business point of view. All right. In the industry, if you look at, there are three core objectives any business is looking forward to fulfill from a content writer. These requirements are online sales, lead generation, or brand building. Let me write this information here for you guys. As I said, online sales, lead generation, and brand building are three core objectives. Now let's understand with some examples which all organizations are into these types of models and how exactly this works, what type of different KRAs, content writers, actually perform and help them to go ahead and finally accomplish. Now, as I have mentioned, organization, those who are acquiring customers online. To name a few, companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, Zomato, they have a model that content writers will produce a content to engage with an audience, but the final objective is to finally buy from the consumer point of view. Let's create this. So Amazon is one such company. How any consumer is buying with, let's say there is one product for, named as iPhone 11 64 GB white color. Now what happens is that a consumer have a habit. What habit? Either you have a mobile app there on your smartphone, otherwise you will open their application here. You would like to buy iPhone, so what you will do, you will open amazon.in directly. Here you will write iPhone 11. You have a product in front of you, you may click here and likely to buy. This type of a practice, if I'll click here, if you actually observe, I am a direct traffic for Amazon, means no matter what I was supposed to buy from Amazon. That is the reason that either I opened their application directly, or in the second context, I open their web application. Then I search for a product in their search engine. That's their search bar. And finally, I will add a product if it is under my budget, and I'll go ahead and buy. Now, if you understand, the content writer job is to create a product page. In this case, this person might have written a product description about the item, what you are saving, all such types of things. Understood? But not so. And finally, what they want, that the end user will go ahead and buy. The one who has written a content is a writer or a landing page creator. The one who has designed this front end is a front end developer. It's a mixed role of 2-3 different people. And that's how the final page appears in front of you. But this is not just it. If I'll close this, now these are direct consumers. Whether they are going to add anything, people are likely to buy from Amazon only because they're searching about a product on their portal. Other than this, some people, they go to search engines. Now, which all search engines are there? Google, Yahoo, Bing. There are so many search engines, okay? What they do, they search about a product on the internet. So people, those who are searching around iPhone 11, this is Indian market, the search volume is around about 1.8 million every month. 18 lakh people, they search this term, iPhone 11. Then if you actually observe, after searching around a subject, how do they react? 6 lakh, some people, they react on a term, SEO based results. I'll explain you this thing in next 2 minutes. There are 3 lakh, some 10,000 people, they click at paid advertisements, and these 50% people, they do not click anywhere. So it's like 9 lakh people react after searching a product called iPhone 11. Now, you need to understand how exactly this works. Can you see this advertisement by Vijay Sales from this Apple A until this white E? This particular thing stands for title. All right. So in a copywriting world, title matters the most. Now, the one who has designed this particular image is a job of a graphic designer. The one who has published this particular ad is a job of a digital marketer. But the one who writes these words, all right, is a job of a copywriter. The intent is to run advertisement so that the end user should buy. Why? Because 3 lakh people or even above that, they make their buying decisions by watching these videos or by watching these advertisements. And if they're not present, they are going to miss 3 point some lakh click opportunities, because until people will not click here, they're unlikely to buy the product. Are you all clear? Quick yes, no, maybe. Other than this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these websites, these are SEO based results, organic results. Now you need to understand, when somebody have searched iPhone 11, search engine, let's say Google, has around these many numbers or results available with them. Out of it, 0.74 seconds, within this much time span, they have 3 some CR results in front of them. But only lucky 8 or 10 people are likely to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you're here somewhere, let's say even here or at page number 2, you're going to miss a chance. You're going to miss an opportunity from those, 6 lakh plus clicks that, and as a organization, you are going to miss those, because you will not be able to go ahead and sell to these guys. 6 lakh some thousand people every month, they click at organic results. Now, what's the job of a writer here? This guy who has designed this product page, maybe he's a great front-end developer. The one who has designed these images, maybe he's a great graphic designer. But a content writer, that means you, needs to have a knowledge who understands one, content creation skill. At the same time, you understand search engine skills. That's webmaster guidelines given by internet companies, so that the content that you write should be appreciated by these guys and you appear in front of them whenever they search for these terms. So what are we learning here? It's like you must have a skill set towards not just to write, but you should also understand how to write for the internet. This includes skill set understanding around SEO, on page, off page, and all that. Because till the time, if your products are not here, so if they just don't have iPhone 11, they have millions of things, right, with them. All they want is they would like to go ahead and get present here. And if they are not, let's say this company on page number 2, let's say this, The Verge, this company is here, right? So hardly they get 1756 clicks every month, because they are at page number 2. And the one who is at page number 1, you can actually go ahead, how many clicks are they getting? So if you look at this number, they are getting good response. They are getting good number of clicks. And to validate the same, let's say GSM Arena itself receives close to around 5.5 lakh hits every month on this search term. Understood, everybody? Quick yes, no, maybe. So as a writer, you're not just responsible to write. You are going to play the integral role, the most important part. You can say it's like the most important thing that as a writer, you need to know. Because if you are not going to fulfill the search engine guidelines as well, there is a big opportunity that you are going to miss. And of course, in the end of the day, if you're going to get hired by Amazon, they would like to sell the product. They are not just there that you produce a content that doesn't drive anything. Everybody, other than Sayyad, are you all clear with the concept? Moving to the next topic, lead generation. Now, if you understand this particular part better, what lead generation stands for, I'll give you guys a great example here. So let's say you were searching for content writing courses. Everybody, right? You have searched for the program. Now, if you observe, different people have searched for a different kind of a word. Content writing course. Some might have written content writing course in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, or some might have written online. Some of you may have searched for, is content writing a good career in 2022? Such types of words you might have searched. Am I correct? Any organization, including us or others in the market, those who are the other service providers or other competitors, each one of us have tried giving you the information around the product, right? But we never tried selling you the product. Our first call to action was, you download the brochure, correct? In exchange to name, email, and phone number, you have downloaded the brochure. You attend a free demo. Again, you've given your name, email, and phone number. You participate or you speak with somebody, let's say from our team. Again, you've given your name, email, and phone number. Now, why we have captured this information? Why we didn't ask you that, okay, attend something, let's say, watch this online video and buy the course? No, because our model is that as the end user, we need to have qualified leads with us. People, those who are giving their valuable details, information, personal information, such as phone number, email ID, and all, so that what we can do, we can simply go ahead and convince them that our program is better. Now, lead generation stands for our audiences everywhere. They are at Quora, they are at search engines, they check videos, they check Instagram presence, they check everything. So for our audience, what's the most important thing that we need to go ahead and take care? Create a content for every platform so that wherever you search around this particular topic, given we are in this market, we cater to this type of audience, you always find IM skills. And then from that, the call to action is attend a free demo so that you should feel trusted. And then see, you don't give your phone number and email ID to any random people on the internet, right? So this overall trust that we drive helps us to go ahead and capture potential leads. And what we do with these potential leads, we showcase them that our product is good, our services are good. And that's how the model works. And not just here. 80% of businesses out there in the market are into service-based model. Any B2B or any B2C model, if you look at, the model is like this. Other than Amazon and all these companies, we have this kind of thing, right? You have a lead and then you convince them and then you buy, or the other person buy, or then you sell. Another great example, if you've ever applied for a job, let's say Naukri.com. Okay. Now, Naukri.com doesn't provide any kind of a job to you. Do you know this? What's the model with Naukri.com? A content writer like you have created their strong presence, that their authority. You search for, let's say, content writing job. What do you get next? Naukri.com in front of you. Am I right? What happens at this particular portal? They actually give you one window. Exceed 98% chances of getting a job by uploading your latest resume or updated resume, right? Then in their case, the lead has different requirement. You may not, you may like, like to go ahead and they may ask you for details like phone number, email, address, home, last occupation, last salary, academic details, marital status, father detail, mother detail, all that. Now, what happens is that you're a qualified lead, means updated content. A recruiter, HR consultants, freelance HR consultants, all these people, they buy database from Naukri. And these HR consultants already have job requirements from other organizations in the market. Then what they do, they schedule your interviews with those companies. And if you get hired, they get commission from the companies. However, what's the job of a Naukri here? Naukri.com. All they do is that they generate qualified leads. Now, who helps them to do this part? They have one portal, right? It is because they create content around every subject. And whose job is this? Content writers. I'm not saying you're responsible to help them to generate more and more number of leads, but that is the final business objective. As a writer, you will be asked to do this. Understood? Quick acknowledgement. Now, the last part is they generate qualified leads for their party. Absolutely correct. Brand building. Now, if you understand from the brand building point of view, today, internet is aware about your behavior. People, they leverage digital channels to develop a very strong brand image in terms of, in the customer's mind or in the prospect's mind, that if you're searching around something, we are the best. To give you one great example, if you are one active reader with a site like Medium or Quora, you may observe there are millions of people generating different types of content every day on these particular platforms. But all you get is a notification to read about something that you're always likely to read. And it can be relationships, it can be travel, it can be life experiences. You might have noticed this part. Am I right? That you get notification only around the stuff that you like. Let's say today you say 3 times, 4 times on a call that I would like to buy, let's say, a car, or let's say specific car, let's say Hyundai Creta. You say this word, okay, 3 times, 5 times. After this, you will observe if you will go to Instagram channel, Facebook, or any other site, you will start observing that you've been targeted by these companies. You're getting push notification to study or read or click or book a demo or a test drive for this car. What particular thing we are into? So basically, it's like you are. So this algorithm works like this: that internet is aware about, they are monitoring your behavior. Brands leverage content writers for various sources, social source, email, your articles, even YouTube channels everywhere. They're the one who creates content, because content is available in four forms: voice, text, infographics, that's images, and videos. A content writer creates all these types of contents for the company. So wherever your audience, they consume the content, you will help the other organization to develop that brand image. Now, let's say there are elections in the, in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. You know this part, right? You all live in India. You may observe a lot of political parties are creating great stuff, great marketing content, that we have done this for the state. We have plans to do this. They will never ask you to vote directly. Their content is very specific, area wise, location wise. What they do, they create that brand image for the end user, that okay, this particular party or this particular let's say chief minister face have done this for my state. And they will never ask you that okay, vote for the party, because they would like to establish that brand image in your mind. Now, a job of a writer is to ensure wherever you are, as the end user consuming this content, they should feed you with the information in their favor. If you observe the next important thing, you might have also noticed this part. Open your Google Chrome app. Since last, let's say 5, 10, 15 days, you're searching for content writing courses. Okay. Now, internet is aware about it, that you're interested around content writing. Now, with content writing, subjects like career, certification, courses, these things are, let's say, subtopics of this particular topic. Now, if you open your mobile Google Chrome app, there is one search box, right? If you scroll down that search box, you might have noticed there are few articles Google is giving you as a push notification or as a suggestion to read. These articles are around, is content writing a good career in 2022? Which are the best content writing institutes in India? And you have never been to those websites. Have you noticed this part, anybody in the group? That you're getting push notification or something, let's say, something to read around content writing every time, every day. And it was not there. You have started receiving these types of information since the time you're searching around this particular industry. Otherwise, there were some different things. You might have not even noticed that. Now, what is it? How exactly it works? It's like internet is aware that you would like to consume this content. Brands are aware that you are their potential target audience. Content writer's job is to align the content as per your requirement. Various people can search for various terms. What they do, they create content so that they can always create that brand image. Now, they will not ask you, let's say if it is IM skills, we will never ask you buy the course. No, we will establish an information in a way that attend a demo. So indirectly or directly, we will achieve our objectives. But that's the way content writers help brands to create that brand image in front of the end consumer mind. Everybody, are we all aligned? Well aligned? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now, given you're aware about the industry, there are few other types of, I would say 1-2% type of businesses, and they also take care of this market. These are like, let's say, you get hired for a company like a news publication house. Your job is very limited, very specific. When I say limited and specific, in this case, you will have a requirement just to create a content, let's say for article writing or press releases or publishing a news article for any specific company or person. Maybe you get hired for an agency and they deal into SOPs, statement of purposes. Okay. So you will be asked to write visa applications, all such types of things, or college admission SOPs, all types of things. No, those are very rare kind of organizations in the market, but there are, okay, many organizations, those who are into this kind of a business model. Let's say if you may get hired for a company like, let's say, Notion Press, they are into publications. So you will only be helping people to write their books, or maybe you will be doing only proofreading as a writer. these are different types of companies in the market available. Otherwise, 90% coverage will be done by these guys. I would say 95%, these types of business models. So your job profile will be somewhere around this. But given we are not sure who will come and hire us or you after 4 months, once you will graduate anywhere, us or any other institution, you need to develop an overall thing, right? So that you have a good portfolio and you can present yourself that I know this, correct? And depending upon, maybe Amazon will hire you, maybe IM Skills will hire you, maybe Times of India will hire you, maybe a startup will hire you. You have no idea, right? So what do you need? You need a portfolio to go ahead and be one of those that you can do every type of a work. Understood? Quick yes, everybody. Now, given I've created around what market as a expectation they're going to keep from you guys, I'll create now for you guys that what it takes to be there in the industry. But before that, let me ask you guys a simple question. Why are you here? What would you like to achieve, guys? Would you like to go ahead and start a freelancing based work? Would you like to start as a content writer, let's say full-time job? How many of you are here to start with a job in content writing? So if you guys can help me to know this, I'll be creating around one by one what it takes to be there, how you can accomplish your objectives and everything. Freelancing based work. This is for Syed. Freelancing. Syed would like to also make a website. 2 people here to become a freelancer. Pragati would like to go, sorry, Pragati would like to start with a job. Dhamik would like to start from home, work from home. But you better be specific. Work from home jobs can be a job, or you can also go ahead and start with the freelancing. Amoldeep would like to start blogging. Swapnil would like to become a freelancer. Om Prakash looking forward to learn and go for a job. Prince to start a business. Nidhi job. Vineet Mishra freelancing. Work from home for Tanuja. Very good. So I can see mix of people are there. People are here to get a full-time job. People are here to start with a freelancing career. Amazing. So I'll go one by one what it takes to start a job, or what it takes to be a freelance writer. Okay. Now, guys, this is the most important thing of my orientation that I'm going to create. My bread and butter is content writing. I'm sorry. This is what I've done so far in my overall, professional career. Please remember one thing. These are the only ways you are going to get everything. And let me be honest, straight and very blunt. I am here to sell you my course. This is my job, because if you will not pay me, how will we earn the money? But remember one thing, I've been always honest about this thing. Whenever I sell authentically. And in the market, every other person, there was a time when education was one of the divine kind of a job. People were doing it with their heart. Today, it's pure a business. And let's be honest with each other. Whatever I'll create, accept these things as the fact, because I don't dilute my conversation towards that you become my student first. No, I'm going to give you some real figures about the industry. If you are ready to go ahead and invest your time, energy, and money, then only dive into this. Otherwise, no. And other than us, let me be honest, blunt, and again authentic. Wherever you are going to speak about career counseling related to content writing, these people have no idea. No idea, honestly. Because the people you're speaking with over the call, they themselves are doing the job of sales. If content for those guys are so, and they speak well like you, if content writing is one of the industry they feel that great, then why they don't leave their own jobs and they get into this market, right? If they are pitching you the same stuff, why they themselves don't start with this job, given they are in the environment since years? So remember, I'll create something very, very authentically. You should all accept. So start with the job part. Now, one thing that everybody should understand, content writing itself is a very, very vast field. There are 20-30 different types of content writing skills one content writer can produce. Let's say writing an article. These are all written here. I would not like to go ahead and talk much on this. However, these are the topic: writing an article, blogging, publishing a book, SOP. Now, these things that I've mentioned here are easy to write here. But when you will be doing it real time, these things requires a lot of time. Let's say if I'll ask you to write an article of 3,000 words, it's a time consuming concept. Publishing a book, writing a book of, let's say, 30,000, 50,000 word count itself is a big task, right? These are not something that you can just go ahead and tomorrow you can write. Absolutely not. Am I correct? So the point for all is that content writing industry is vast and you are clueless that who will come and hire me tomorrow. Correct? Now, what it takes to get a job, portfolio. And let's be honest about one thing. If you feel that after doing IM skills course plus any course in the market, you will get a job, I'm telling you as the founder of IM skills, answer is no. You will remain jobless till the time you don't have this portfolio. Now, let me help you to go ahead and understand what is portfolio. How Amazon gets sales, online types of companies through ads, copywriter they hire, right? What's the job profile of copywriter here? They help digital marketers to write ads copy. Understood? Social media advertisements, they write copies. If somebody is creating a video, copy is being created by copywriter. Okay. Otherwise, SEO content, so that the content can get ranked, and in the end, they should be able to go ahead and finally sell the product. Understood? Now, let's take one example. iPhone 14 is the product is being launched. There is one particular job profile for iPhone 14, copywriter or a content writer they would like to hire. They have an ads budget to spend 1 crore per month, and that's bare minimum. Companies like Dabur spend 1 crore every day. 1 crore on advertisement. Now, just ask yourself, because you've done a course from IM Skills or any other institution, do you think they are going to give you their 1 CR that, okay, you write our ad copy because you are eligible person? No. On the other side, do you think they will be actually waiting for you to create a content and they are going to trust on one factor that you know how to create internet-based content or SEO related content? They're looking forward for ranking, and ranking comes, the process is minimum 3 to 4 months, depending upon your website, various factors. Do you think they will trust you for iPhone 14 here as well? Answer is again no. Let's say IM skills. I have a product. I've recently launched a new course. Let's assume technical writing. I am looking forward for leads and I need a person who can help me to generate, because till the time I don't have leads, my sales team will sit on idle. I will not get sales, my faculty cost and everything, right? I'm looking forward to hire somebody with a proven track record. And when it's about building brand building, let's say there are elections in Punjab, they're looking forward to reach out to their audience when the elections are happening, versus elections are in the month of, let's say, March, and your content is reaching out to the people in the month of April. Are you all able to relate these things that I'm creating? The point is, they're looking forward from all the context, somebody who can assure them that, okay, I will be doing this job and results are guaranteed. Now, when I say this word, remember this thing, that is where this particular thing stands for, a portfolio word that comes to the picture. What is portfolio? Means if you're talking about article writing, you've been doing it. For one website, your own blog? No, at least with 10, 15 different websites. Plus the content that you've produced, that's already ranking. If you're running ads, you must know how to practically create an ad and how to go ahead and do it. If it is about writing a book, you have published a book. If it is about SOP, you know how to write it and you have already delivered a couple of projects around it. If you are, let's say if it is about writing an article for a news portal, you already have writing or writers available for some big platforms. Quick yes, everybody, are you all aligned what I'm trying to create here? Once you have this, you have no clue after 4 months which type of a company will come and hire you, but your portfolio is ready. Your portfolio is ready. And because of this portfolio, what do you get? You get an assurance that you are job ready. Now, what is the interesting part here at IM Skills? The interesting part is, in the overall program here, you are going to develop your portfolio. How? I will talk in next 5 minutes, but you're going to write for Times of India and you'll have an author account there. Any day, go and write for the blogs. You're going to publish your book in the program. You will be writing for 10 different websites. and we are going to help you to overall have a great portfolio so that when we will schedule your interviews, people can consider this is the right fit for our brand and they can hire you immediately. All these portfolio development related stuff happens in the program. How and what we'll talk in the next 5 minutes once I will create around freelancing thing. So do you have any questions before I move ahead and talk about the rest of the stuff? In the chat box, everybody. Are you all clear related to how people who are here to go ahead? Sir, how can we write for more than 15? How can we write for more than 10, 15 websites? In the program, we are going to help you to write for 10 to 15 websites. Then it's all your relationship with the others that you need to develop. In the program, we will take you to the partner's website so that you can get the author's account there, and that will help you in terms of getting accesses as an author, and you can create content there as well. Understood? Okay, now let's talk about freelancing part. Now, by the way, there is one more thing I would like to go ahead and tell people to accept. See, for me, it was very easy to say that you're going to write for Times of India, you are going to write your book, you are going to go ahead and publish your article at 10 different websites. See, I have already said that, while saying these things, that you have to produce in next 3 to 4 months at least around 1 lakh words. Saying these things are so easy, but once you will sit down and relax and write these 1 lakh words, it's a time consuming concept. Without it, you are not going to get a job. Remember this thing. Now, those people who are here to start with content writing industry as a full-time career, please accept this fact that you need to produce this much of a content. And if you are ready for the same, you can get into the market. And I give you a word on a recorded line. If you're not going to get a job after learning our course, ask for a money return. Nothing more than this. But other than this, there are no guarantees that if you will follow some other guidelines, that you're going to get a job. Understood? Now, let's talk about people who are here to start with freelancing, or let's club freelancing with a business. Let me write freelance plus business. Now, remember one thing, those who are here to become a freelancer or would like to start their businesses, you need to work 2 times harder than these guys, those who are here to get a job. Why? Obviously, you also have no idea who will outsource a freelancing work to you. Am I correct? It's like a portfolio you also need. Because if somebody will hire you, the first thing they are going to ask you is, show us your previous work. Aligned? Quick yes. Other than this, the most important thing that you require is that you need sales skills, marketing skills, selling skills, delivery skills. If you need to hire a manpower, HR skills, finance skills, you should know taxation and a lot more, how to charge people and all that. Plus, you should have a complete CEO kind of a package with you. And if you are missing out or even one thing, let's say marketing, sales, delivery, your business is a flop show. Whether you're a 1-person company or a 10 different people, or let's say 10 people organization, you need to have a control around everything and a skill set to know each and everything. How many of you agree to this, that without marketing, you'll be able to go ahead and do freelancing or start a business? No. And how many of you believe that from freelance sites like Odesk, freelancers.com, you can capture clients? Answer is yes, you can, but very less. Why? Because like you, there are thousands of people already bidding there. And there are fixed resources people have to bid. They bid and then they convert a client. But it's like a very annoying type of a thing versus you get a skill set and people will be able to go ahead and capture. So what I'm trying to share is that when you search for a content writing course, you directly found iimskills. What if I'm dependent upon sites like Just Dial for the leads? Do you think I'll have this kind of a business model, the one I already have? So it's better to launch your own iimskills versus being dependent upon Just Dial for qualified leads. Everybody, are you all clear? Now, how this particular part happens? Two different things. And that is where we are different, and we're going to ensure that you are going to get this. First and foremost, I'll talk about this thing later. First and foremost, I'll teach you 25 types of content writing skills. Of course, me and the other faculty, that how to write various types of contents, right? But you will not launch 25 types of offerings in the market. Why? Why not 25 types? Because if you will launch only one type of it, let's say how to write a resume or SOP, you have no clue. SOP writing, people pay 5,000 rupees to write 1,000 words. 5 rupee word is there. That's the price. And if you talk about resume writing, please validate these things after my session, okay? In the market, LinkedIn, cover letter and resume writing. Cost is 20K, 20,000 rupees for one profile setup. That's the price. Yes, my friends. And the US market, it's bigger than Indian market. Yes, that's true. Validate it. So what you will do, you will start with only one. Why? Well, let's say you're starting with resume writing service. What will happen is that with resume writing service, you only have to beat, let's say, 50 companies. They are your competitors. They are already well established, profitable, with teams, with marketing skills. They're already there. You have to beat them, right? So what you will do, you will market only one product. And with this one product, what you will do, you will reach out and create your presence. Once you have recurring revenue, launch another type of service one by one. That's the right approach. Who will teach you this? Me. First concept clear? Now let's talk about second concept. What makes our program so unique? Why people love IM skills? What are so different types of things we follow here? And how do we help people to establish a great business model? I have invited two different types of people in one program. One, those who are here to get a job, other to start with a business. And from one state delivery, I'm promising every person that, okay, you are going to achieve these things. It's practically impossible. Let's say if you're sitting in the arts class, I'm saying that you will become a doctor. If you're sitting in the arts class, I'm saying that you will become a chartered accountant. And I'm saying if you're in the arts class, you will become a lawyer. See, lawyer thing is possible practically. But doctor and chartered accountant or finance professional, one cannot become after learning the arts delivery, right? Now, same goes, or same is going to be, available here in this particular context too. Somebody sitting in the arts class, we are saying that you'll get a job, or from one state delivery, we are saying that you'll get a job and the other person will start a business. No. So how we have designed our course? What's our secret ingredient here at IM Skills? Please pay attention to this. We all know that you are all freshers, have no idea how to write content writing. So what we do, we run a 1-month course through which we teach you how to write 25 types of content writing. In addition to this, there are weekly assessments that we do. You're going to get weekly feedbacks. And by any chance you have done anything wrong, there are training managers we have. They will take you on a Zoom call before next Sunday class. And they will help you to know that, okay, these are the mistakes you have done. Please work on these things. Next Sunday, again, you're going to get a class. So this particular process will work for 4 weeks, or you can say 4 weekends. For 16 hours, you all will learn how to write all the types of contents and you're all set. Now, what next you will do? We will divide our audience into 2 categories. One, those who are here to start with a business. One who are here to launch or get a job. Now, these 2 different people will be working on, job people will be working on portfolio development. Business people will be working on portfolio development. Other than this, I am going to teach you all these skill sets: marketing, selling, and everything. So what we do and how we do. So we run a 3 months personalized delivery through our internship. This internship will help you to go ahead and achieve your goals from the program. And a word on a recorded line. Those who are here to get a job will have interviews in hand once they are going to complete this entire 4 months program. Only condition, star, is you need to work on each and everything. So don't go ahead and just don't believe one word that you're going to get a job or start a business. You have to execute everything. Business people, one word, you will have your first client captured by you from the internet in the course itself. Everybody clear? And now the most important thing, if you would like to go ahead and validate whatever I'm sharing right now, go to LinkedIn, open IM Skills,
go to LinkedIn, in the search bar, write IM skills, and you're going to get list of more than 20,000 professionals who have done our training program. Add anybody here, anybody. I repeat, talk to them and ask whether they have achieved their financial goals, their career goals from our program or not. So we will have only two types of people. One, highly satisfied and receive whatever they were promised, or dissatisfied and we return their money. We are like that. But remember the fact, this industry is only for the people who are action takers. If you are here and you believe the fact that I'll make money without doing anything, please do not join content writing. It requires at least 4 months of patience plus practice plus execution. If these things you are ready to go ahead and give to the market, you are with the right people. Everybody aligned? Quick yes, no, maybe. Other than Syed, rest of the people, are you all aligned? Angeline, Amoldeep, Dharmik, Gopika, Manoj, Nidhi, Om Prakash, Pragati, Swapnil, Tanuja, Vineet, Prince. Okay, so far, are you all liking the class? Let me go ahead and talk about the second source of revenue as a writer you can make. Okay, how many of you have heard around a word called affiliate marketing? How many of you have ever heard a term called affiliate marketing in the past? What is affiliate marketing? All such things. You've heard around it, Syed? Good. Anybody who have never heard? You have heard. Okay. Let me introduce you today the affiliate marketing, the opportunities, how much you can make through affiliate marketing, and how you can leverage it as a content writer. Okay. So now what affiliate marketing is, for those who have never heard around it, when you promote any links, okay, or when you promote any products, all right, through a link, and somebody clicks on that links and they make a purchase on the other website, you are likely to earn a commission. And this commission is between 1% to 100%, depending upon the products that you're selling. Correct. Sometimes even it is 150%, depending upon the business model. If the company is into a recurring payment model, they will be paying you huge. Now, anything and everything, I would like to repeat myself, that you buy from the internet nowadays, you're being targeted by the writers, bloggers, and those, I'm not saying products are bad that you're buying, but the reality is that whatever you buy, it's like you were buying the promoted stuffs, or you have bought the promoted stuffs. You search for television, you search for education, you search for anything, it's promoted. Let me teach you what we are talking about. Let me close this. Let me close this and let me open another incognito mode. How many of you have recently made any kind of a purchase from the internet? Let's say you were searched for laptops under 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 50,000, watches, anything that you have recently done a research around, and then you decided that, okay, this is the right product for me, I'm going to buy. Anybody in the group? Sayed, what was the product name? Can you help me? And what you have searched, can you help me to know around that, please? Smartphone under 15,000. Smartphone under 15,000. Okay. By any chance, have you read any of these websites? Bajaj Finserv, Digits, Bajaj Finserv Markets, 91 Mobile. By any chance, any website that you might have read? You read 91 Mobiles. This one. Let me open this. Which mobile device you have purchased? And by any chance, you have clicked on these URLs 1, 2, 3 by any chance? You haven't. No problem. Let's assume if I search for a keyword and I am likely to go ahead and click around Realme 91 something. Okay. And what if I am going to go ahead and buy this 91 mobile product from this particular website, given this 91 mobile thing is itself a seller, so that's not an affiliate thing we can expect from here. But I'll just show you what I'm talking about. Let's say this is the site digits. This Siddharth Chauhan have recently written one article, and Realme something Narjo is the mile, and they are saying. So what you click, or what you actually do, if you're going to click here on digits.com, they're going to offer you that you can go ahead and buy any URL given to this particular website. Okay, let's say Amazon, Flipkart, Amazon, with the various types of models. If I click here, if you observe, this is affiliated URL. Can you see AFF ID here? Word affiliate ID. So now if I'll buy a product, this guy will earn a commission as a blogger. If I will click on Amazon, this is affiliated URL. Can you see mobile products ES21? After this particular thing, this is affiliate URL. Understood? You're searching for, you remember a couple of minutes back when we searched iPhone 11. What is the business model of GSM Arena? Have you ever thought around this? How do they make money? They write reviews, product reviews for everything. Correct? If I will click here, here or here, these are all affiliate URLs. Read this, GSM Arena. Now, anything and everything, if you're searching from the website or from the internet, these stuffs are affiliated. You search for best machine learning course. Do you notice one particular thing? Whenever or wherever you search for education related products or education related stuffs, you get Udemy in front of you because they are always affiliated. Learn data science. Wherever you see top 10, top 5, they are affiliated. Now look at this. Machine learning, Coursera, Google, specialization, EDX, they are all affiliated URLs. Click. You will be redirected here. Now, if you read this, can you see? Partners, link share. The course is for free. The certification is for around about 60,000 rupees. So this guy will earn 6,000 rupees if you will buy. And people, they buy. Huge percentage of people, they buy. Because the intent is to buy. When somebody is searching for best of something, they are likely to buy. Understood? Now, let's say you search for best, let's say mixer grinder. Best mixer grinders in India. Okay. Now, Business Insider, affiliate website, not affiliate. Now, this is also affiliate, by the way. Affiliate. All these websites, affiliate. All these websites are affiliated. Now, the question that comes to everyone's mind is that how much money are they making? A lot. I'll show you what. This website, let's do some analysis of this website. This website has so far produced content around best air conditioner, cooler, air fryer. These are only one article, by the way, just one article. And how much is the content length? You can also go ahead and do that part. One article on an average has a word length of 6,000 words, one article. Then they have all home-based stuff mentioned here. Electric kettles, food processor, computer device, fashion thing. And every link they have given to Amazon. This is ECD LAV. This is Amazon affiliated. If you read Amazon affiliate program, home appliances, kitchen appliances, they pay commission of around 9% per sale. So if they're selling something of 40,000-50,000 rupees, you can read here, kitchen appliances and all that, 9%. Do this later on after my session. So if you observe, this person is typically selling a product of 10,000 rupees on an average. Some products are very expensive. So it's like 500 rupees, 600 rupees, almost like $10-15 is what this person makes per sale. If you observe how much content they have so far produced, we will leave homepage part. And from here, these are 20 articles. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Best food processor in India, until here, 20 articles. Until 50,000 in India, 40 articles overall. Until cold press juicer, 60 articles. Until not cooling, 80 articles overall. Until washing machines in India, 100 articles. Until best air conditioner, 120 articles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will take hypothetically 130 articles, though it is 128, but total 130 articles they have so far produced. Everybody aligned? If you multiply 130 article with on an average 5,000 word count, you'll do your maths. Let me help you to understand mathematics around how much website visits they get, hits they get, traffic they get after producing this kind of a content. There is some kind of a issue, but it is okay. We will use another tool. This website receives somewhere around 2,000 something traffic from India, 21,000. US market is this, and then you have something from other market overall. This is, by the way, desktop traffic, and they have more of commercial traffic and transactional traffic. That's the great part. Okay. Then on mobile, as of today, from India, 13,000 something. So overall, they have, if you calculate, a hit of somewhere around 1 lakh. Understood? From all the places across India, US, Canadian market, mobile and desktop, both the websites. Everybody aligned? After writing 130 articles, the website that is named as Energy Conversion Device receives 1 lakh hits. I have already shown you the content is more of commercial. So there are 4 different types of content: navigational, commercial, informational, and transactional. Okay. Transactional and commercial content are people with intent to buy. Are you all clear with this thing? Now, on an average, if you look at this number, I'm sure close to around, on a scale of 0 to 100, or sorry, 1 to 100, what percentage of people do you think are buyers, out of which 50% traffic they are getting? I have already shown you that that's around keywords like intent to buy. What do you think is the ideal number in the chat box? Give me any random figure that comes to your mind. Sayed says 10%. Others? Anybody in the group would like to go ahead and share? 5%. Nidhi says 30%. I will say 1%. Bare minimum. Let's take the dead number, 1%. On an average, the products they're selling, they are around 5-10% commission. I mean, they must be earning $5 something, minimum, bare minimum per sale. So it's like 1,000 people are buyers from this blog after writing 130 articles. $5 is what they make per sale. It's like 5,000 USD, right? USD to INR conversion, if you check. Today, if this blog drives only 5,000 USD income, they earn almost around 3,70,000 rupees bare minimum from one website. Bare minimum. Are you able to relate? Everybody in the chat box, please. I am saying 1% is the bare minimum conversion rate, and I'm saying bare minimum $5 per sale. On an average, if you observe, typically they have 10 to 15% commission and they are earning $15-20 per sale. I would not like to give you any number that's something very, very on the higher side. That will give, of course, the opportunity is huge, but still I would not like to tell people bluntly that, okay. Now I would like to show you guys, before I talk about further stuff, I hosted a class around affiliate marketing last night only. I run website called WebHubK. It's a pure affiliate channel. I run website called coursedeco.com, pure affiliate channel. I run website called Advisor Uncle, pure affiliate channel. All these websites are affiliated. Now for you guys at this stage, you will feel like, okay, it's just a simple blog. How this person makes money from this? Am I right? I'll explain. I sell these courses, content writing, digital marketing, right? Any keyword you search today, our websites will appear in front of you. Let's say digital marketing course in Delhi. I'm just searching for this course or this keyword. 9,900 people every month, they search for this term. Then best digital marketing course. Now these are ads 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then after the ads, you can see our website position number 4. In a month, if I'm able to cater to, let's say, from this particular, just this blog, I'm not talking about Mumbai, I'm not talking about Bangalore, I'm not talking about Hyderabad or other states or cities. Let's say from this blog, I'm able to capture only 10 students at a price of 34,900. What I have earned? 3.5 lakh rupees. Understood? And for any keyword. Now, depending upon what all affiliates you have, let's say now I'm searching for digital marketing course in Mumbai. Let's say this 5,400 is the search volume. This ranks here. Okay. Now, because of these things, what do you get in the end? You get qualified visitors, leads. Maybe we don't have direct metric. Similar, like let's say I sell courses for Udemy as well as an affiliate. And let's say if you search, I don't offer graphic designing course at the moment, but I have a plan to. Okay. So if you click here, these are affiliated URLs. We are running ads for Udemy. Can you see this? Now, what's the process? Our process is little different. Let's say if people are buying in bulk, for us, it's a learning that there is a good course requirement for graphic designing. So I'll launch my own course around it. We have this kind of a mindset. But there are people who make money, huge money, because lakhs of people are buying this. Understood? Now, if you understand the concept, it's all a content game. And not just this. There is another thing, people can go ahead and make money from AdSense and a lot more. But these things requires a lot of patience plus practice to create a content, so that once you have good content, once you have visitors, you can monetize them. I hope everybody, you're all clear. Now, do we teach affiliate marketing and AdSense in our training program? The answer is yes. How in depth that particular thing is? Completely in depth. Everybody aligned? May I get a quick yes, no, maybe in the chat box from you guys? And you know what is the beautiful part about this thing? Let's say you are in a regular job. If you will go on 6th of Jan, you will get your salary. If you will not go, you will not. Simple maths, right? You have created once those 3,000 words and those are ranking. You will earn forever. Earn forever. You have created one good video content. You will earn forever. It's a one-time pain. And forever life, you are going to earn a good amount of money. That is the beauty. That is the power of content. And there are no restrictions. You don't have to go ahead and open a shutter or open a door of any shop. You have patience, you have time, you have mindset of growing yourself. There is nothing better than this industry. Even film stars, not so big one I'm talking about, even TV celebrities, they've started vlogging. Why? Because they know there is nothing better than this. Because this COVID has given people a hit, and now today people are serious. They are taking digital stuff very seriously, because that is how direction of internet or direction of businesses or direction of every type of a thing is moving. You look at this as a market. These are internet live stats given by the companies, live stats, okay? Every millisecond, number of websites, those are going live across the world. These guys needs writers, because if they don't have a writer, they will not be able to go ahead and present or speak about what they have or what they're offering. Writers from all the point of view, job, freelancing, this market will increase. Social media presence, everything, YouTube presence, everything is increasing, and they need talented people. Understood? So the industry has a lot of opportunity. It is just that you need to go ahead and dive into, but with great thing that is called patience. If you don't have, this industry is not for you. And don't fall in a trap of sales. I'm selling you honestly. At this stage, I'm also selling you, but my sale approach is very authentic. I want you to accept the facts and then dive into this. Otherwise, don't. You will end up wasting your money plus time. Now let's talk about why IIM skills. That's the most important thing. One and the only reason. If you're here to achieve a job, you will. If you're here to start with a business, you will. All you need is follow the guidelines given by the faculties, and rest is our job. And it's a commitment to you that you're going to get a complete practical exposure around content writing. You know what is so powerful here at IIM Skills? The beauty of our program. Last 26th December, we started our last batch. Students approached me that we didn't understand the concept so well. This Sunday, they have their third session. However, on this Saturday, I'm hosting another class for these guys. I hope you all can see this, so that they can go ahead and ask questions. It's not just that we have a fixed delivery for 16 hours and after that. No, we deliver our program in a personalized way. And we ensure that you get hands-on learning, pure practical exposure around everything. So if you're going to write for Times of India, your article will go live. You will publish your book. You're going to write for 10 different websites, and you will have your overall portfolio with you. And if you're here to become a freelancer, you're going to go ahead and get sales, clients in the program. You will learn how to do marketing, all these things. The next beauty is content creation practices and structure around content creation. It keeps changing. You get lifetime access for our course, live classes free of cost, plus lifetime access to our LMS. The LMS allows you to go ahead and check session recordings, tools, tasks, everything. They are available here. Just simply log in here, access the same anytime, any day, on any device. That's the beauty of this particular thing. At the same time, there are no mediators between you and the faculty. So there are two different faculties, those who will lead this program. And you are going to get each and every certifications, everything, your support directly by the faculty. There are no mediators between you and us. We will have dedicated discussion forum on WhatsApp so that you guys can internally discuss as well and go ahead and leverage each and everything. You can also go ahead and expect two different certifications. Both are exam based. One from IIM Skills, registered with Government of India. This is how your certification will look like. Another one from United States, that's from HubSpot. It's a marketing automation company. They conduct content marketing examinations. You are going to achieve this certification as well. This course is well priced at 12,900 plus 18% tax. The total is 15,222 rupees. The overall delivery hours are 26 hours plus 110 hours of assignments. Rest, Shiva must have given you details. Now, on a new year, so this is the first orientation of our new year. I would like to give people kind of a, gift from my side, but with condition, okay? We will not give you 8 weeks paid internship, but all those people who are going to register themselves before 4:30 p.m. today, with the link I'm going to provide, you will be getting our advanced SEO program that I'm going to launch today. And I'm going to be the lead faculty for this. And this is everything. Remember this thing. You can just read the curriculum and you will understand everything around what this course is. I've given you the URL of this course. I'm sorry. That's the payment link. Sorry. This is the URL of the course. You will be getting 1 month delivery for advanced SEO course complimentary, that is worth at 14,900 plus taxes, 17,000 course. Complimentary if your registration happens before 4:30 p.m. means in 19 minutes next. But you are not going to get 8 weeks paid internship. Remember this. That's not for you. That's only for the students who are going to participate in a paid program. All right. This program will be provided to you. You will be informed about this. First, you will learn content writing, and then you will be moving in this one. A detailed program, just research around this, that what this course is all about. This is one of the most in-depth SEO understanding one can expect in the market. Okay. So there are all the things you can study. Now, I am open to take your questions. Those who are willing to take it forward are requested to first register. I will remain online until 4:17 p.m. or I'll say 4:20 and we'll proceed. And those who are willing to take this and content writing, both the programs, are requested to get themselves on board. 4:30 is what I will end the offer. Your questions, please. And if anybody would like to talk, you can mention, please unmute me. How to join in both the programs? Sayed, once you will register, upar jo link hai, this one, before 4:30, you're going to get it. Swapnil, I will pass the information to Shiva and don't worry. He will accommodate this one. Provided there are no discounts or anything that you have received from the New Year site. Because on New Year, there was 10% offer on the website thing. Anybody who would like to ask questions, please? As you find good, sir, although it will be greatly benefited if I will get the SEO course complimentary. Don't worry, I'll come back. I'll inform Shiva. There are weekly projects given to the students based on their niches that we will be identifying with them. And you're going to work upon those projects live practically. Yes, Swapnil, please. What about after 4 weeks? Amoldeep, those assignments will be, you will be getting assignments from our side. You will be publishing your book and everything around it. There are weekly assignment given to the students. Online, everything is online, nothing offline. In fact, from today onwards, again, we are back to home in our work from home model. We started our office last month, but again, due to this COVID in Delhi, we have moved back to work from home model. I wanted to know if TOI is written as an example, or will IM Skills help me to get the author account? We will help. It's not the example. You're going to write for them. How we will publish our articles in TOI. That's our job. We will be giving you the topic, and then you'll have the author account there. No, it's a non-paid internship. Basically, this internship is there to develop your portfolio only. Looking forward, Swapnil. So I'm there online for the next 4 minutes, guys. Anybody in the group who is participating to avail this particular SEO based offer can let us know. Amol, it is one of the secret, or you can say the most important ingredient to reach out to the audience. There are hundreds of writers available in the market, but very less, or I would say very few, understand the marketing concepts. Without marketing, life is nothing. It's like that. If you cannot market your service, you will end up with less number of customers, less number of people, less number of consumers. That's how it is. The more you are reachable, the more presence you have, the higher opportunities you will get. And people, Google says 97% people trust SEO results versus paid ads. So it's always good. Do I need to give you my email ID to get the SEO code? Swapnil, I need to get back to you on this, please. Let me check with Shiva. I already have your mail address. We will get back to you. We need to just validate a couple of things and we are good to proceed then. Okay. We cannot club. I just need to check. We cannot club two different things together. Can we work on our own website during the course? Yes, you can. All right. So guys, I think that I've already answered all your questions. So once again, everybody, thank you so much for participating in the class. Happy New Year to all. For any help, you guys can feel free to ask us. Amol, Dharmik, Nidhi, Pragati, Sayyad, Swapnil, Tanuja. Take care of yourself. And if you're willing to start with the upcoming batch, 30th Jan is what it is starting. And 30th Jan batch 2022, 10 a.m. onwards, the batch will start. You will get complimentary SEO course without internship. if you register before 4:30 with the link that I've just now given. And rest, we all will meet very soon in the upcoming lectures. Once again, thank you so much. For any help, feel free to connect with Shiva, and take care, everybody. Let me end the class.